What's up, guys? It is Kay Laura here, and yes, I'm in a weird, different setting. That is because I am at my house / travel trailer. I'm wearing my glasses today just because I'd like to see for a second, you know? Today, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing a house tour. I hope you guys enjoy this tour. I'm going to start over here in this little section. Yes, my fireplace is crooked. Please do not judge me. I have a picture frame. Hello, honey. I have this picture frame and you can just clip something on here. This is from the 5th grade. If one of you guys from this picture is watching, give this a thumbs up and comment and say I'm in there. And then over here I do have a candle. This is just from the dollar store and surprisingly it is very good. And then over here I have my little Christmas section. Over here I have all my makeup brushes and like my lipsticks and my liquid lips. So over here are like my big brushes. This is from Target. And then all my brushes are from a mix of everywhere. And over here are like my smaller brushes. Over here are my lipsticks. And then over here are my liquid lips. And then we have this Christmas tree my mom actually donated. I got the ornaments and the skirt from Walmart. And my mom actually got me this last year because she thought I was going to put up a Christmas tree. So right here I have a little like vintage bug, which I love this so much. Back here in this gold little thing, it is actually cornhole bags to this mini cornhole game, and it's super cute. Down here I have a remote and a lighter. Over here I have like makeup palettes, more makeup palettes, and then like a lot of this makeup over here is actually from like my Birchbox and Ipsy. And then now I'm going to start along here in this little corner. Yes, these blinds are a little too small for my window. I'm not quite sure on how to measure. These curtains, I do not know where they're from. They actually came with the travel trailer as well. These curtains, and you'll notice with my travel trailer, a lot of things are mismatched, and that is just how my style is like it's kind of mismatched, but at the same time matches. You get this point. These are actually, I believe, from Meyer. Or this little corner, I have like this little gold mirror. This is kind of like my vanity setup of where I kind of do my makeup, which I haven't done my makeup here in a very long time because I'm either elsewhere or I'm doing it on my bed. So I have this little mirror. I actually got that from TJ Maxx. And over here are some more little samples and stuff. I have my spare phone. Then back here I have just little nook and cranny type stuff. I got earrings, foundation, some Sharpies, a face mask. Right here is my ring light. I don't know if this is quite where I'm gonna start filming or not. And then we have my car keys. This little thing is actually what I was supposed to eat on. My mom got it for me, but I hate eating by myself, so I don't eat here very often. Then down here are just some more palettes, which there's a lot of them. And you're on to my little other corner. I'm actually trying to get rid of my couch. It's just so big. Over here is a sign that my mom got me when I first moved in. It was actually for outside, but I thought it looked super cute right here. This blanket right here is super cute. It's just a throw. I never use it. It actually still like connected by that little plastic piece. I got this from the Dollar General. This pillow, Welcome Fall, I got from the Dollar General. The two pillows behind here, I believe I got from Meyer. Here in this corner, this is kind of hidden. This is my overnight bag, ignore that. This blue table, I believe I got from Big Lots. You can use it for anything. You can use it for a side table, a hamper. And then this cute little lamp, I did get from Target, and it's like marbly with gold. And then along here is going to be like my bed room, I guess. Travel trailers are quite small, so it's like all compact. So my bedspread, I believe, is from Big Lots. My mom got that for me for when I moved in. This pillow, let's see if it will focus. I'm not sure on where it's from. My blanket, I believe, is from Walmart. Over here in this little corner, I do have like two little mattresses right here. That's just for if a friend wants to sleep over, so it's kind of nook and crannied over here. So that is my bed. I believe I got this from Ross a long time ago. And then I do have Christmas lights and LED lights along the rim. So now I'm going to start with like my little kitchen area and explain that. Over here is like my little pantry. There's not much food in there. I do have a refrigerator refrigerator right here. I did paint that. I painted everything in here as far as like the dark gray and the light gray. I did paint that. My microwave, my little stove, and then the oven. I've never used the oven. Sorry, I did not spot. How embarrassing. These hand towels, if you are wondering, are also from TJ Maxx. Up here I have a paper towel rack. In this cabinet I have plates, cups, and bowls. If you are interested in seeing so, that's what I have up there. Up here I have like pots and pans and stuff. And then up here was actually where a TV is supposed to belong, but I kept it for more storage, and that has like my Tupperware and stuff. And then on this side also has a cabinet that leads to the exact same thing. Down here on my sink, I have this little box, which the people that own this before me placed up there, which I think is super cute. I have 2 Chihuahuas, which you will notice in just a second, so that is why my salt and pepper shaker is like that. After I'm done with the dishes, I do like to moisturize my hands, so I have little like balms for my hand. And then over here, my mom got me this. I'm not really quite sure on where she got it. And then over here is my wax burner. It's kind of a mess. I apologize. I have some hand soap that I got from Meijer. This little guy over here, this little cactus, which is like a RV van, which is cute, super cute, like a Volkswagen van. My little brother got that for me from Francesca's or something in the mall. This little marble thing I did get from Target, I believe. I have a little mason jar full of cinnamon candies I got from Huber's. And then over here, this bow I got from Target as well. It was actually a fruit bow, but I'm never home enough to have fruit last for me. Then along here is just a little like jacket holder. And then these things, I'm not quite sure on what they were used for, but I put cups up there. I think that's super cute. And along here is just a little heater. And then along here is like a cute little stereo and does have an aux. Please excuse me, but that is the cutest thing ever. I did forget about this little area. So up here, I believe this used to be drawers, but they ripped them out and then replaced it with shelves, which that's fine by me as well. Up here I have like dishwashing rags, cleaning rags, and stuff like that. I got this little cubby from I think Target. Down here I have tons of like coffee cups, water bottles, and all that stuff that didn't fit up in the cabinet, but I kind of think it's a little cute here. I got a few cooking books. So over here is my bathroom. This is actually where I keep the girls at. This is Honey right here, the big potato, and this is Zoe. I have a big pile of blankets right here. Yes, when people come over here, it is a little confusing. I do let them out when I'm here. I just don't let them out when I'm gone, and I don't want to keep them in a cage just because I feel they should have more room than that. So I have a baby gate right here. I did put this little stool right here. It used to be over in the corner, but they kept getting out, so I put them right here. Honey's like, what the heck is going on? Along here is like a closet thing. I have my towel and my robe. There is a shower in this little place. It is cute. Down here is their pee pad. Ignore that. Along here is like a mirror and a closet, which I think is pretty nice. This little toothpaste holder thing, or toothbrush holder, I got from Target as well. It's marbled with a gold stripe. And then I have like my hats, my jewelry up here, my little vanity mirror, and then soap. So I mean, and then the toilet is right behind this door, which it's a toilet. You don't need to see that. So that was the end of my house tour slash RV tour. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of like my living situation, comment down below on some silly video ideas you'd like to see, how I did stuff, like how I organized, how all of that good stuff, you know. I live in a travel trailer because I work at a campground, and here at the campground there's something called work campers. And what a work camper is, somebody that travels across like the states, and they live in a travel trailer, but they work for that campground, and their rent is like super cheap. I've been here for almost a year. At the beginning of December will be a complete year. So there's also something at the campground called monthlies, and that is people actually that live here long term. We had a monthly here, and they are a lovely couple. I love them to death, and they were selling their travel trailer, and they knew that I wanted one. They were super sweet. They offered me the travel trailer. They said that it was going to be $3,500 and I can make payments on it, which is, for a 20-year-old, that is a blessing in disguise in my opinion. So my goal was to give them a $1,000 down payment and then pay them $500 a month so I could just like pay it off super quick. It was a Thursday that I gave them $1,000 cash down. They came in on a Friday after I gave them the $1,000, and they gave me a Christmas card saying Merry Christmas, paid in full, gave me the key and everything. So I actually got this travel trailer for $1,000, which is mind-blowing. I still thank them so much till this day. I do not plan on living here forever. No, ma'am and sirs, I do not. I do plan on getting my barber license and everything like that, and I do plan on having a house in the future. So if you guys have any further questions, just comment down below and let me know. And you guys have a wonderful day, and peace out. Bye.